So I was looking at this video, and I realized, could I make it real? No, but seriously, can I? Basically, that attaches. That bottom part attaches to this, and that will stab. This, with the way it's curved, will launch it out, and this will help it glide in the air. I believed my design was flawless, but I was less than correct. So I went in the printer upstairs, yada yada yada. It did not work. Let me just show you a little video. Can't wait. Yippee. Yay, yippee. Yay, yippee. Yay, yay, yay. Yip, 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 yip. And since that was a gigantic flop, I decided to remodel it using Tinkercad again. Yeah. Yeah. Enjoy the filament peeling. So. And this is the final result. Okay, so basically, you just have to use this at the back and this at the front, and it like assists it. So when you want to shoot, you can do that, or you can do it the normal way with only this one. And to shoot, you pull back. Tell me if you want anything else made. I'll design it, try to slap it together, and create it. Yippee yippee, thank you for watching. And like I said, you want it, comment it, I slap it together. Yeah, see ya.